These look so funny. They're like hands, like high five. It's like 9 p.m. in the evening, and people have been asking me if I'm not afraid to be alone in the forest in the evening. But actually, whoever would attack a witch in the forest would be very dumb. No, but all shits aside, I know stranger danger is real. Always be careful. I guess in the Netherlands, or at least where I live, it's kind of fine. But I don't know. I mean, it's getting pretty dark, but the forests don't scare me. But yeah, stay safe, y'all. Don't be like me. Oh man, I can't wait to live in a forest. Like any forest, but ideally like these tall pine trees, and then have a house there. Oh, it's gonna happen someday. Hopefully before I'm 80. Oh look, those trees are like 2 trees in 1 tree. Oh, it's too dark. It is getting quite dark, I should hurry. But it's so nice. So many mosquitoes. It's like past 9 p.m. now. It's quite late. It's been a warm day. There's mosquitoes in my nose and mosquitoes everywhere. But I came prepared. I have bug repellent spray. So they're not biting me, they're just in my face. But I came across like 4 people who I've offered my bug spray because they were being eaten alive. Like, don't go to the forest in the evening after a warm day. You will, like, without the bug repellent spray, because you will be eaten alive. Oh my god. Just kidding.